Hey guys, John here, and today I got another little do-it-yourself fix-it for the Porsche. You guys ever run into an issue? You gotta open the hood. Nothing. Oh, there is a little trick, that you can do. This thing has a service mode button right there that you can actually push. I'm sorry, right there. If you push that button in, it'll slide it up to the second notch, and it allows you to open the hood all the way so that you can pull the motor, have some extra space to work under there. That's one trick. That's one thing that you can do. Or you can just do like I'm about to do and replace these things. So some of my parts came in today. I've got the new brackets there, and then I got 30 piece got some of these Porsche bolts in with the 25 hex head on them. Got a couple missing from under the hood there on some of the plastic panels, so I'm gonna replace those when I'm under there too. So alright guys, let's dig into this. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys how it's done. Alright, so we've got the camera flipped around here. Just one thing to note, the hood is aluminum, so this thing's really light. So I just used a little bungee and threw it up to my garage door opener there. I thought this was kind of funny, so I would just go ahead and show you guys this. This is the one on the passenger side. And all I did was touch it. Just listen to this. It's bad. So we're going to start by popping these off and replacing them with some new ones. Okay, so for simplicity's sake, I wanted to go ahead and just pull this off real quick, just to show you how easy it is. So all you're gonna need is just a little small flathead screwdriver, and then all you're gonna do is just get it in here and pry up on the little retainer here. And really, that's all it takes right there. You just pop it up that much, and it pulls right off of the ball joint. Same thing over here on the other side. You're gonna do the same thing. It's pretty easy. So we're just gonna I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on this side real quick, so the bungee doesn't pull the hood up any further. And then I'll come over here and show you how to do this one. Alright, so real quick, I just wanted to note one thing. These are going to be different. You're going to have two different pieces in here. The way that you're going to have a button over here on the driver's side, and you're not going to have the button on the passenger side. And as you can see here, this is the passenger side that I just took off, and if you just remove your little sleeve there, don't freak out. It's supposed to do that. So this is the one that's got the button. So we're going to go ahead and grab this one here, and this is going to be our passenger. So we're just going to snap it in there. You don't have to do the retainer whenever you're putting them on. And we're just going to move our other end around here, line it up, and we're just going to pop it in there. Bam. Super simple. Okay. So now this one I'm going to show you how to do it while it's on there. It's easier to start with the top, so you can pull it back and reach the clip on the other side. So yeah, just reach in here, pull it back just a little bit, bam, comes right off. And then if I can use my left hand while I hold the phone with my right, I might be able to get in here just enough. Bam. That easy, guys. Okay. Now, this brand, I got these off of Amazon. I think they were only like 20 or 30 bucks. I can't remember. They were fairly cheap. So hopefully they work, and if they do, then there we go, guys. Quick, easy fix. Take you hardly no time at all to do it. So we're just going to come in here, snap that one in, readjust here. You might have to hit the button to allow this one to come out just a little bit. Oops. Hit that button again. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but maybe eventually, if I get enough likes and you guys like my videos, I'll invest in some tripod stuff or something. Okay, that's it. We got some new supports on the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this. Okay, and so far, she's staying up by herself. Go ahead and drop her down here. Got a little gunk on her, but she likes to stay clean, so she knows I'm gonna take care of her. So we're gonna, there we go. And that, guys, is how you replace the hood supports. Now, if you run into an issue where you're missing some of your bolts here, like somebody took these off and now they're missing. Same thing over here. And not just that, but these are the same thing for your bumper. If you want to do air filters, these the same screw kit can be used to replace the originals. So I'm gonna run around now. I'm gonna grab my T25 and I'm gonna go ahead and install all these missing screws back into the car. Alright, so we're nearing the end of the video here. We've got the supports put on. Just want to show you guys real quick. I went ahead and it's hard to do it this way. There we go. Went ahead and stuck new bolts in on both sides. They fit perfectly. I was missing one over here, right here under the shock, only because whoever pulled this off lost the other piece that these screw into. They sell those on Amazon too. I saw them. I probably should have went ahead and just got some, but I thought, oh well, all of them were there, but they weren't. One's missing, so I'm gonna order up some of those too. One more thing I saw that I'm gonna show you guys a little trick to. Your AC ports, you don't really want those exposed. You don't want anything getting down in there. So I took some air from the air compressor and went ahead and blew it out. I'm just going to show you guys a little trick here. I did a delete on a motorcycle, and I've got some of these from AutoZone. These little caps that you can use to plug up your emissions and stuff like that. So we're just going to take I'm going to take a white one here, since it matches the car, and just pop it over there and kind of massage it in over this tube here, so we don't get any contaminants down in the valve. There you go. That's a nice little easy way to fix that problem. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for today. Stay tuned. We're still going to do a video on the on the tuner or on the vehicle diagnostic system. We're going to do a couple more cleaning videos. I'm going to do maintenance videos. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. It's down there somewhere. Everyone does this. I appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.